it's Liz from Old Sables Crafts. I'm a UK-based independent Stampin' Up demonstrator, and today is Frantic Friday. And I'm going to be using Turtle Friends, which is in the new annual catalogue, and it is on, bear with me, and I will tell you which page it is on. Turtle Friends is on page, I've ticked through it, I think it's 56. Let's have a look. Yes! So page 56. Look at this, isn't this gorgeous? This is not what we're doing. I will hasten to add here and now, that is not what we're using. But I am going to be using the bundle. And some of, sorry, I've got a plane going overhead, some of the new host paper, which is gorgeous. We haven't had host paper. Well, I don't remember having host paper before, but it's this. It is 48 sheets, 4 each of 12 designs. So it's like a double paper pack, quadruple paper pack, because there's 12 designs, 4 of each. So that's, yeah. And it's worth £29 and it would cost just £17 in rewards. And remember that during the rest of May and onto the 14th of June, you can get extra rewards if you place a large order. So you need to place an order of £200 or more. Club together with your friends and place one large order between you, and then you can split the paper up. It's so simple because you get 4 sheets of each of 12 designs, so you can split it 1 sheet for each of 4 people. Anyway, Frantic Friday is where I time myself to make a card as quickly as I possibly can. It started off as 5-minute Friday and frankly my blood pressure couldn't take it. So I've got a Bermuda Bay card base, a liner, because Bermuda Bay needs a liner. I've got my stopwatch set up ready to go. I've got a piece of Pool Party card, which is what my turtle is going to be on. This is going to be a made up variety of turtle or tortoise or whatever it's called. Then I've got a piece of the one of the patterns from the host set, and I've just cut my standard size mat and then taken a bit off the end to have as my feature piece. I've got a strip of white for my sentiment. I've got some of the resin heart embellishments which are in the mini catalogue that's still running, which it's part of the snail mail suite. I've mounted my stamps, so I think I might be ready to go. I'm going to pop some bits out of the way. I've got dimensionals ready. I've got my seal ready. So, I must be mad. I'll get that out of my way, and I'm going to do this in a slightly odd way. I'm going to start with my sentiment so that that's done. So, are we ready? I'm going to open my ink pads to give myself a little bit of a chance to do this quickly. Are we ready? Are we steady? Let's go. So, Bermuda Bay. I'm doing happy belated birthday. Sorry I was so slow because I have missed a friend's birthday. So, you know, this will be their birthday card. Right, and that's good. I like to get that done straight away while I am not actually panicking too much. Right, my turtle onto my piece of Pool Party with Pool Party ink. Like that. And then I've got my turtle shell to go over the top. Just need to ink that up a little bit more. And then I have got the Time to Celebrate. Yes, I know, it's corny. And I'm hoping this will stand out. Otherwise, I'll be using the other side and starting again. Yeah, which is what we're going to be doing, because it doesn't stand out well enough. So I think I'm going to leave off the It's Time to Celebrate. and in which case I can use Bermuda Bay for my shell. Like that. Won't need that. And let's bring in the punch and line it up. It also does 2 circles, which are basically the eyes for the large and the small. Ow! Try not to pinch your hand while you're doing it. So there's a small turtle as well. So it's basically their eyes. However, I'm going to close my ink pads because I don't need those any. Oh, actually, I might just do one more thing with my liner, which I've lost. Where's my liner gone? I'll grab another one. It'll be so much easier if I just grab another one. It'll be quicker too. I don't know. Just can't get the staff, can you? So, liner. I've just had a thought that I want to put one of the little turtles on the inside. I'll use the one with its eyes closed for no other reason than I can. So I'm going to do that in Pool Party as well, just running into the bottom corner. Right, okay, now I'm going to shut this. We're at not quite 3 minutes and we're good, it's all good. So let me add my paper to my paper. I'm going to do that sideways on so I can see what I'm doing better. Like, oh. Do you know how distracting it is having a stopwatch just outside your line of sight? Let's pop that onto the base. And while I'm doing gluing, I will put my liner in as well. This is always the moment when you don't want your seal to decide it's not going to run nicely. Pop that on the inside. This on the outside. Dimensionals. Mini dimensionals. Have it on the green, then it's actually walking on grass almost. And that's going to go across there on dimensionals. Where are my scissors? There they are, because I'm going to use side bits because they are perfect for adding strips of card. So I'm actually going to pop that there and then add my dimensionals underneath, because then I know that they're going to be on dimensionals right to the edge. Take that off, or almost right to the edge. Take that off. That's not square. Never mind. I don't care. Turn the back. Trim my ends. Just over 6 minutes. We can do this. 6.5 minutes. There we go. So apart from the fact this is crooked, it's not really crooked, but there we are, little chappy on the inside. Happy belated birthday, sorry I was slow. So it's all a nice little pun. Thank you very much indeed for joining me today. Have a fantastic weekend. Do remember, if you've enjoyed this, to give it a thumbs up. If you don't already subscribe, please do so. Do remember that there is the ordering special until the 14th of June. There's the Join Plus special until the end of the month, where you get 154 pounds of products that you choose. No one forces anything onto you. You get to choose it, all for £99. No postage to pay. Really fantastic way to get your hands on lots of new goodies. If you want to place a smaller order, if it's £50 or more and you use the host code, you will get a 10% discount if you shop with me in June through to the 25th of June. The £50 for a 10% discount runs until the 25th of May. All the details are on my website. And I've also got an ordering special for the jewels, the in colour jewels. Enough from me. Thank you so much. Have a fantastic day. Have a great weekend. And I will see you again very soon. Bye.